I'm trying to remember if there's a snack or whack that made me angrier than this one.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Hacker Wack Snack Edition. Today, we're poppin'. Hey, Claire.
Hi, Joel. Yep, we're gonna pop some kern.
Is that what the kids are saying? I don't want any part of that.
We're going to pop some popcorn. I don't know if you've seen these TikToks or Facebook videos where people throw candy in with the popcorn and then it coats the popcorn. I've seen it with Skittles, where it makes like rainbow popcorn. That turned out to not be true, but this one might actually work. Instead of Skittles, we're just gonna use finely chopped chocolate, throw it in there with the oil and the popcorn, and ideally, or what we're aiming for, is that the chocolate will coat the kernels and then you'll have chocolate popcorn. First thing we're gonna do is add some oil. This video, of course, does not contain any measurements because they never do.
Attention TikTokers, measurements. Use measurements. So we're just coating the bottom with how much?
So just pour enough so that the oil comes up to the point where the pan just starts to curve. So you want it to hit that curve. Then just add a single layer of kernels, and you just want the kernels to be kind of barely poking out of the top. And I'm gonna add my chocolate. We should heat it like over medium to get the chocolate melted.
Oh yeah, it's already starting to melt. So we're gonna turn up the heat once the chocolate's melted?
Yeah, I turned mine up to like medium high, higher end of medium high. It's just looking very soupy.
It's hard to see the kernels.
In the words of Tim Gunn, this worries me.
Okay, I'm all melted. Should I put the lid on and turn it up?
And I used to be one of those people who shook the pan as they cooked the popcorn, but like, then I realized that the popped popcorn pops up and then rests. Like, it's always forming a top layer, so like you just kind of want to leave it alone because the kernels are always going to be on the bottom, and that's where you want them. You don't need to shake it.
My like bubbles and sizzles, they sound like thick. The early risers that I can see have popped, as soon as they pop, then they are just absorbing all of this grease and chocolate. So I think that even once we're done popping, they're gonna be very soggy and not like beautiful puffy popcorn with like a candy coating. Okay, so here's the good thing. I'm still popping. I don't smell burning yet.
All right, I'm dumping it because it's like it's slowing down and. Oh yeah, that's garbage. That is just a fucking mess. Oh my god.
Okay. Wow. I hope that's steam and not smoke.
Look how ugly this is. Let's see yours.
Okay, so mine, I don't think it looks as bad as yours.
All right, you ready to try?
Yeah. Bad. Not fluffy, crunchy texture. No, it's like soggy, heavy, chewy styrofoam.
Look at that.
You are a professional food writer with a chemistry degree. I'm a professional nothing with a nothing. But still, we should be able to figure it out.
I'm trying to remember if there's a snack or whack that made me angrier than this one.
Okay, Claire, I'm really eager to hear what you think. Is this a snack or is it whack?
I think it's whack.
I'm shocked.
What do you think?
I think it's whack. This is one of the wackest ones we've ever done. This is up there.
So after I hung up with Joel, I realized that we hadn't popped the popcorn exactly the way that she does in her video. What we did is we added everything, popcorn, chocolate, oil, all at once, and then covered it and popped it. But what she does is she stirs everything, not just till the chocolate melts, but until she actually gets some popcorn popping off. So I'm gonna try it that way, see if it makes a difference. We may still get some burnt popcorn, or maybe it'll be delicious. So far we don't have any burning, but at some point we are gonna have to put the lid on, and I worry about it burning. Okay, yeah, I see a couple. All right, we're gonna cover it now. While the top is chocolatey. Some of it is. It's like very uneven. There's some burnt ones. Let's taste one. Let's taste a not burnt one. Oh, it's kind of soggy. And it has like a vague Cocoa Puff vibe. It's not like... It's fine. Oh, that piece is burnt. And you can see the pieces towards the bottom. Not only are they not covered in chocolate, they're either completely burnt or they're burnt and have no chocolate. So, yeah, even though this is slightly better than what Joel and I originally made without all the stirring, it's still burnt to shit in places, and I would still say it's whack. Thank you for watching.